Good morning, student. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you English Standard 6 Grammar. And today's topic is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. यानी कि नाउन के बदले में जिसका उपयोग होता है उसे हम प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. प्रोनाउन का मतलब है सर्वनाम, जिसका नाउन के बदले में यूज़ होता है. हर जगह पे हम नाम यूज़ करें ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. इसके बदले में हम प्रोनाउंस का उपयोग करते हैं. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. अरुण सेड दैट ही वाज अ गुड स्विमर. सो हियर इज अरुण इज अ मेल पर्सन and we use instead of Arun. Pronoun is he. यहाँ पे अरुण एक मेल पर्सन है और मेल पर्सन होने के नाते हम यहाँ पे ही सर्वनाम का यहाँ पे उपयोग हुआ है. हम अरुण और अरुण वॉज गुड स्विमर ऐसा हम यहाँ पे नहीं ले सकते. द सेकेंड वन इज व्हेन गोपाल हिट द डॉग it bit him with its sharp teeth. So here it is used for the dog. Third one is Chetna told her parents that they should not force her to marry. Here Chetna is a female person. We can use instead of Chetna, pronoun is her. Now let's see the types of pronoun. There are 7 types of pronoun. Which one is? There are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reflexive and empathetic pronoun. And today we are going to learn only just 3 pronoun. The rest of the pronoun we learn in next video. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन इसको हम बोलते हैं व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम. पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन यानी कि संबंधवाचक प्रोनाउन. एंड थर्ड वन इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns can replace nouns that name people in subject and object positions, like as a subject in a singular or plural. We know that the names of things, people and places, animals are called nouns. And we use instead of this noun we can call that pronoun. And personal pronouns are used for 3 person: first person, second person and third person. First person in singular we use I and plural we. Second person as a subject singular you and plural you. Third person as a subject singular he, she and it, and in plural we use they. Suppose in object in the first person singular me and plural us, and second person singular you and plural you. In third person object singular him, her or it, and we use in plural them. Let's understand with some examples. I was here first. Please give me the ticket. So look at the first sentence. I is here subject, and second sentence, me is an object. In first sentence, first person used here as a singular, and second sentence used me as an singular. That is why we are using as a first person subject and object. Second example is, you are going to the library. So here you is a subject here, and may I give the books to you. So here you is an object. He sang at the party. He the who sing. So he is the subject here. The audience liked him lot. So here the object is him. She played in a tennis tournament. So here subject is she. No one could defeat her. So she is the female person. Just because of object, we are using here her as an object. Study this table deeply and write down in your notebook. And according to this table, we are going to do exercise. Read a following dialogue and underline the subject pronoun and circle the object pronoun. Read this all conversation and write down in your notebook and underline the subject pronoun and circle the object pronoun. Now the second type is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows that ownership, यानी कि मालिकी का भाव होना, यानी कि ये चीज़ मेरी है, ऐसा हम बोलते हैं कई बार, तो वो दर्शाता है possessive pronoun. We use possessive pronouns to refer to a specific person, people or thing and things belonging to person and people, and sometimes belonging to an animal and animals or things. You will never find a possessive pronoun near a noun, despite the fact it is the genitive of personal pronoun. We use personal pronouns depending on as a number. Singular we can use mine, or plural we can use ours, and as our is a singular form. The first person we can use mine, the second person we can use yours, the third person we can use his. Suppose in a male person we can use his, in a female person we can use her, and for intimate thing or animal we can use it. And for the gender, for the male his, and for the female is her, we can use. Below are the possessive pronoun followed by some examples and sentence. Each possessive pronoun can be a subject or object, refers to a singular or plural. Antecedents. As a number, singular first person supposed to be in gender of owner, male or female, we can use possessive pronoun mine. And in singular second person, male or female, we can use possessive pronoun yours. And the third person, male and female, for male his and for female hers. And for the plural form, first person we can use, supposed to be male or female, we can use ours, and second person male or female we can use yours, and the third person male, female, and nature gender. Here the nature gender means नान्यतर जाति, जिसका प्राणियों के लिए, एनिमल्स के लिए और निर्जीव वस्तु के लिए उपयोग में होता है, उसको हम नेचर जेंडर बोलते हैं. वी कैन यूज पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन एज theirs. For example, look at this picture. Mine is big one. ये पिक्चर देखो, मेरी बड़ी है. तो किसकी बड़ी है? तो मेरी बड़ी है. तो ये द सब्जेक्ट इज माई पिक्चर. I like your flower. Do you like mine? Here the object is my flower. All the essays were good, but his was the best. Here the subject is his essay. John found his passport, but Mary couldn't find hers. So who? The object here is her passport. Here are the singular and plural form of the possessive pronoun, which are used before noun and which are used alone. Note down in your notebook. Now the third type is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun refers to or relate to noun that has gone before it. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को हम बोलते हैं संबंधी सर्वनाम. दिस प्रोनाउंस function as to connect the clause sentences. Whom, that, which, whoever, whomever, whose are relative pronoun. Generally, who we can join with the person. Sometimes it is used for animals, and whose is also used as sometime for intimate things. Let's see the example. I have met the man who has written this book. Here is who is used as a subjective case. So as a subjective case, supposed to be asked in the exam, we can use for a person, we can write the who, and after the who we can put the verb form after the who. The second sentence is, this is the dress that my brother bought. What? The dress. Sometimes that is used for intimate and non-intimate things, and sometimes alive things we can use as a that. Let's see the example. A polyglot is a person who knows many languages. So here is the person, that is why we can use who. What did you do with the sweater that I give you? So here the sweater is thing, that is why we are using here that. that का उपयोग यहाँ पे इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि that स्वेटर जो है वो निर्जीव है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे that का उपयोग करते हैं. और that के बाद हमेशा सर्वनाम का उपयोग होता है, और who के बाद हम क्रियापद का उपयोग करते हैं. यहाँ पे आप a polyglot is a person who knows many languages. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि जो who के बाद हमने knows लगाया है वो क्या है, वो क्रियापद है. तो who के बाद क्रियापद का उपयोग होता है. Now the last sentence is, what did you do with the sweater I give you? तो here is the sentence. such sentences can be written without the relative pronoun. Thank you, and next video we will learn the rest of the pronoun.